10 o'clock. Definitely slept in. But we've got more eBay orders to pack, so let's get moving. First one up, a little camera battery that sold overnight. Wrap it, tape it, print the label, stick it on. We've got 5 going out today. All right, that's the stack. Let's run these to the post office. My day's flying. Time to game for a bit. Here we go. Come on, yes. Take that. Yes, that's what I needed. Yeah. Demolish some McDonald's. Now it's time to send links out to the brands. And sent. Easy. Fries, email, all done, perfect combo.
Operation Sugar Storm is a go. No one suspects a thing. The stash is ours.
Chocolate victory!
What was that?
Footsteps.
Hold your crunch.
Clear.
Crunch time. You're terrible.
Wait, what was that? Something just... Oh my gosh, there's a frog down my shirt.
A frog? No way.
Yes way. Look at this little guy.
That is wild.
Why do people care about the opinions of folks whose lives they would never want? Like, if you wouldn't want my life, why listen to anything I say? It's baffling. And if what I post makes you roll your eyes, do me a big, big favor. Unfriend me, block me. Thanks. It's wild how triggered people get. If you don't like it, why are you still here? Slide that finger to...
It's so dry, it's starting to flake off. Look at this. You can actually see it coming off. Time to fix it. This stuff's worth its weight in gold. Little goes a long way. Instant relief. Smooth again, back to normal. Much better. Just one more spoon. It's so good. Wow. I can't believe how much I like this. Wait, what is my hand? It's turning white. Oh no, no. I'm turning into salt? I can't move, I'm still growing. Guess I'm a salt block. Man, it's brutal out here. The air feels like knives. My ears they're literally freezing. Look at this, that's ice. You can hear it crack when I touch it. Nature doesn't mess around. Fire and hot coffee, best investment.
Please. You're not alone. Stand behind us. You think feathers and light will save him? Bye.
Wow, I'm tired. 50 eBay orders packed. It's 11:30 already. Time to do a little social media in bed, then I'm out. Night, y'all. Night, huh? Emma's glued to it.
She keeps tilting her head every time the green guy shows up. It's adorable.
Classic movie magic. Can't believe you haven't watched it in years.
Thanks for making it feel like a little theater in here.
Popcorn dog you, perfect combo. Oh, someone made fun of me on YouTube. I should quit.
Yeah. Back to work.
People are crying over AI videos like it's the end of the world. Meanwhile, we've been photoshopping photos for decades, erasing folks with a mouse click, swapping people in video edits, airbrushing magazine covers to another planet. Tech changes, common sense. 2 days without coffee, and my head is pounding. It's like a drum in there. Yep, I'm addicted. Why is it always the people who fail in most things they do, the ones who can't land a shot, finish the project, or even keep their coffee upright, who try so hard to drag everyone else down, like you just watch them miss completely and suddenly they're experts on how you should be living? One round of orders, we have 48 to pack, worth about 650 bucks. Let's knock them out. Sure goes in first, in the jar, in the little pouch. Keep it tight so nothing moves. Fold, tape done, label on top. Scan for tracking, that's all 48 right there, 650. All right, time to walk our Sheltie dog in 20-degree weather. We are all turning into snowmen. Hey. Look at this, 5 days and it's still telling me the exact same thing. In transit, left Reno, nothing since. And as you can see, there's still no package at the door. eBay standard shipping can get wrecked. It's one of the most unreliable services I've ever used on any platform, period. I'm done waiting on scans that never appear. Switching to something that... Up to 6 more eBay orders this morning. That brings me to 60 packages going out today. Let's get them packed. All right, 60 packages ready to roll. Post office run.
Morning, I'll take those.
Thanks, have a good one.
You too.
Another good... The amount of crying people over AI makes me laugh. Look at this. These are the same people who hated the internet and smartphones and Bitcoin. LOL. More stress, no more drama. My life is in God's hands, and that's a better place than anywhere I could put it. Stress will age you like sour milk, and I'm not giving it that power anymore. Peace feels better. I've spent 650 bucks on eBay supplies. Look at this. Bubble mailers, tape, printer rolls, bubble wrap. It's all adding up. But the orders keep coming, so I gotta keep up. Sheesh, I've been busy. You know what? Let's just stop giving Christmas gifts. I'm tired of stacking boxes under the tree and missing each other in the process. This year, let's give everyone ourselves instead. No phones, no buzzing, no scrolling, just us. Round of orders, we have 48 to pack, worth about 650 bucks. Let's knock them out. Sure goes in first, in the jar, in the little pouch. Keep it tight so nothing moves. Fold, tape done, label on top. Scan for tracking, that's all 48 right there, 650. I don't think I've ever been this busy. Someone give me a balloon so I can fly away. Thanks. Whoa, it's actually lifting me. This is wild. See you later, deadlines. Haha, best escape plan ever.
I know I text different than most people. I hope nobody ever takes it the wrong way.
I'm just built a little different, that's all. It's 11:30 p.m. I've got a million things to do with my businesses, but I gotta get sleep. My desk has looked like all week. Emails, calls, deadlines stacking up. Even my calendar is solid blue, every hour booked. The crew started joking about it yesterday. I'm so slammed with work, they call me Bonnie Blue. You need help?
The engine died and everyone's stuck behind me.
Right, I'll handle it. Straighten the wheel. There we go.
You just saved my morning.
Thank you.
Anytime.
I ordered DoorDash tonight, just a regular Chipotle bowl. I watched the little car on the map and suddenly it parks at a Turkey Hill. I figure, all right, maybe gas. 10 minutes go by, 15 minutes still there. My food's just riding shotgun. I hit cream cheese, peanut butter, little chia seeds on a toasted bagel. That bite right there, perfect. Breakfast of champions.
Camera's on, day-long stream with these legends continues.
You still got energy, man? I'm impressed.
He never slows down. Chad's loving it. Bro, it's easy when you're hanging with the coolest dudes in town.
Facts. 12 hours in and we're still smiling. I hate turning down sealed product to rip, but I gotta plan again. Or maybe I just need 10 jobs so I can have even more fun ripping, lol. Look at this thing. It's begging me to open it, but the budget says otherwise. Maybe if I had a couple more gigs.
May the God who gives endurance and encouragement give you the same attitude of mind toward each other that Christ Jesus had.
Honestly, I'm dragging today. Felt heavy from the moment I woke up. No spark, just tired. Not every day is sunshine and rainbows. Some days are gray, and that's fine. It makes the bright ones matter. Man, the orders just keep coming. Slammed with eBay orders. I feel like a chicken running for a wolf. Better get back to it. Jeremiah 33, verse 14. The days are coming, declares the Lord, when I will fulfill the good promise I made to the people of Israel. I'm gonna turn my basement into the coolest eBay store ever. Right now, it's a mess. Check this out. I sketched the layout, shelves, lighting, and shipping station. First, shelving going up. Then the vibe. Stocking the goods, shipping and station ready. Online side dialed. Psalm 85, verse 2. You forgave the iniquity of your people and covered all their sins. This looks real, right? But notice that little Sora tag up in the corner. That means an AI built the whole thing. Any video carrying that watermark was made with help from artificial intelligence. Come on, people. Don't be so easily... I'm more busy than Santa. He's on vacation compared to me. Back to it. Rip this real quick. Oh, no way! No way! Are you kidding me? 1 of 1. Bold as heck bat. Dude, that's the $2,000 hit. Look at that shine. 1-1 stamped right there. I actually pulled it. That is gorgeous. Hollow everywhere. The bat with the shades, the whole thing. I'm exhausted. Time for a little social media in bed. Then sleep. Just a minute. Good night. 11 o'clock. I've got 29 orders to pack, about $700 worth. I'm exhausted, but we're getting it done. Last one in the bin. That's 29 shipped. Time for some sleep. Thanks for keeping the lights.
Stay close, Jacko. The beacon says he's deeper in.
These trees give me the creeps, but we're not stopping. He's out here so...
And there they are, my mom and dad, the best there is.
Oh, you. He's being generous.
I'm serious, you can't beat these two.
We just love you, that's all.
I was proud of you, son.
I have the best mom and dad. Coffee's amazing, but it pulls a surprising amount of vitamins and minerals out of your system. If you're drinking it daily, you need to put those nutrients back. These are the supplements I pair with my morning cup. Magnesium, potassium, calcium. Good morning, folks. Jack Frost really opened the taps last night. I've lived here my whole life, and I've never seen walls of snow like these. That is my truck, or at least it used to be. 10 feet on the nose. I measured it this morning. Jack Frost... This basement is turning into a storage jungle. Time to clean it up. Let's get to work. That's coming together, clean, organized, ready for anything. All right. Time to start a 2-week coffee detox. I love the stuff, but it's been running the show. For the next 14 days, it's water, tea, and rest. Every morning, I'll cross a square on the calendar. Keeps me honest. Day 1 starts with... Hold on, what's that glow? No way, look at this. Everything's white, gotta check it out. First snow of the year, and it's heavy. Perfect powder, can't beat mornings like this. Stay warm, stay grateful. Life knocked me down for far too long. I thought I'd never get back up, but every fall taught me to stand taller. I started with 1 step, 1 rep, 1 decision to change. Now I'm stronger, wiser, wealthier, and... Service just wrapped. That message on hope was so good. Let's get something up real quick. I grabbed a little clip during worship. Thought it'd be cool to share. Caption, grateful for today. Hope is alive? Not today. I have no desire to get out of this bed. Look at that view, though. I'll just admire it from under the covers. Maybe later. Coffee's brewing itself. Technology spoils me. Strong enough to lift the... Today in the town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is the Messiah, the Lord. Inbox is a war zone today. I'm so slammed with emails. That's the game when you run things. Business never stops for those who are masters at what they do, and I wouldn't want it any other way. Alright, last sip before the fast. 19 hours, starting now. Body's ready, mind's clear. See you on the other side.
After I was betrayed, I went through every emotion known to man. Anger, fear, emptiness. I let it all hit me, one wave after another. But somewhere in that storm, I bled it out on the bag, on the pavement. So I started fasting. I wait all day, drink water and coffee, and then around 5 o'clock, I eat one really big meal. Everything I need right here on this plate, the best part of the day. The weight's coming off. This morning I was at 208, 2 pounds down from last week.
Working. Dropped out of school, walked out with a backpack and a plan, became my own boss, built my own brand out of a garage, and turned it into a company with its name lit up over the street. Now it's time to build again. The childish toys, the...
All right, I'm Red Trunks. Ready, Dad?
Let's see if you still remember the combos.
I'm calling winner. I'll play the champ. But first, I get to watch you two wear each other out.
Not happening.
Oh, that hoof was clean!
Worth the
Early this year, I let myself go, packed on 60 pounds, lost the edge, lost my top S status, couldn't stand it, so I got to work miles before sunrise, heavy pulls, real food, no excuses. Now I'm lean, strong, and the bag's heavier than ever.
I wasn't locked in. 2025 had me heavy. Too many personal things dragging me down. But now I'm locked in. 2026, I'm crushing everything I touch. Gym, business, life, I don't miss. I'm here, I'm focused, and I'm not slowing.
Last 7 days off, now it's lock-in mode. I won't let off the gas until December 2026.
How many different sets I've logged this year. People still laugh at trading cards like it's some dusty hobby. Meanwhile, it's a $15 billion ecosystem, bigger than plenty of pro sports, and analysts project it to hit $25 billion.
John chapter 1, verse 12. Yet to all who did receive him, to those who believed in his name, he gave the right to become children of God. That's us. If you declare with your mouth, Jesus is Lord, and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. Romans 10, verse 9. All right, last sip before the fast. 19 hours, starting now. Body's ready, mind's clear. See you on the other side.
This world is so slow in all they do.
What a morning, and my spirit rejoices in God my Savior. Luke 1:47.
I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep.
These cards has been a blast. They've traveled with me through a lot of late nights and good memories, but it's time to let most of them go. I'm keeping a handful, about 5%. The other 95, they're headed to new homes. I want to put my energy into building the business.
Forward to 2025?
Yeah.
I honestly let myself go. I used to be up before sunrise, meal prepped, hit the gym. Now look at this. That guy in the hoodie, he had discipline. He had energy. I traded barbells for takeout and late night.
Starting to like how I feel fasting versus how I feel after overeating. When I keep it light, my head's clear and my body just wants to move. But when I load up on food like this, I crash hard. It's heavy, slow. Fasting keeps my energy
Everybody thinks they can stomach being a business owner until the cash dries up and the doubts roll in. That's the part nobody plans for, and that's the part where it gets good. If you can keep moving when everyone else quits, that's when...
Guess that's it. No spark tonight. No message, no nothing. Cold out here. All right, enough. Back to it. Work never lets you down. And she gave birth to her firstborn, a son. She wrapped him in cloths and placed him in a manger because there was no guest room available for them.
Merry Christmas, big brother.
We got you something.
It's heavy. What is it? Go on, open it.
Whoa.
You gave me a ton of money.
Yep, you deserve every dollar.
Merry Christmas.
Shh. Naughty List gets a special delivery.
Did you just... Under the tree?
Merry Christmas, kid. Behave next year.
Mornings don't get better than this. Blueberries in bed. Sweet, tart, perfect.
Happiest berry alive.
Glad we're on the same page.
Keep 'em coming, boss. Life is good.
James chapter 5, verse 8 says, You too be patient and stand firm, because the Lord's coming is near. It's closer than we think.
Show you thin? Let me show you the thinnest machine I own. That edge right there, only 6 millimeters. It disappears into a sleeve like paper. Light, strong, and razor slim. That's thin.
Hey, big guy, I'm just as jolly and round now.
Oh, let's see if you can ring as loud as me.
Bring it on.
Take that.
Good swing. Oh,
nice block, Santa.
You're a natural,
Dingle
son.
drop. 15 hours and 40 minutes. Ending the fast. Look at this. Steak, eggs, potatoes, avocado. Time to eat. Still sizzling. Yolk running everywhere. First bite. Worth every hour. I was hungry. Lol. You can love your business, pour your heart into it. But don't fall in love with your inventory. These boxes, they're just cash sitting still until they move. Let them flow, turn them over. Don't hoard them like trophies. Build the business, not a closet full of stock. Love the business. 2, working on a 22-hour fast. This ain't fun. I'm used to eating what and when I want. Timer says 2 hours and change left. Whole fridge is laughing at me. Almost there though. We'll make it. People don't understand. You don't get to my level of product reviewing just off free stuff. Most of what you see here, I bought. If you want to test something the day it drops, you can't wait for a brand to send it. You spend your own money. That's how you build trust. Then you tell people what it's really.
Oh, Scott, you've been so good this year that I got you something I know you've always wanted. It's a compact editing mini PC with 32 gigs of RAM and a blazing NVMe drive.
No way, that'll make. Hey, Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful day filled with peace, love, and laughter. Stay warm, stay grateful, and here's to an amazing year ahead.
Fixing our eyes on Jesus, the pioneer and perfecter of faith. For the joy set before him, he endured the cross, scorning its shame, and sat down at the right hand of the throne of God.
Isn't it funny how divorce rates are skyrocketing? Yet more people go to therapy now more than ever? You'd think all that talking would glue us together. Instead, it's like we're just learning how to leave more gracefully. Makes you wonder what we're really trying to fix.
It's the Vito.
Man, it looks like a spaceship cracked open. I love it already.
Eyes up. They're waiting.
Whoa, look at this little guy.
Hey, buddy. V-friends, all of them. And they trust us to keep them safe. Shield going up.
This one might be my favorite Christmas movie.
You say that about everyone we watch.
Maybe, but look at that snow. Looks real enough to step into.
Emma seems convinced. Pass the popcorn?
Here you go. Merry Christmas, love.
That's the last one. All the eBay orders are ready to go. And it's only 10:15. I'm spent. Time to lay in bed, finish a little social media work, and then call it a night. I'll just schedule tomorrow's post, and done.
Review every type of product. Sneakers, coffee makers, camping stoves. If it ends up in my hands, I'll give it a look.
Aren't you afraid what others will think?
Nope. I just smile, tell the truth, and move on to the next thing. That's the fun part. You know what those numbers mean? They're just 2 more cracks in the foundation. This world has started to treat micro, cheating like it's harmless. We look the other way while people flirt in DMs and keep secret conversations. Couples sit together. Box is $500. One item inside. Could be a sticker or a $4,000 1-ounce gold coin. That's a gamble. But I'm feeling lucky. Let's see what 500 bought. No way. That's a full ounce. $4 grand in pure gold. One wrist. Man, I'm so tired. My eyes are starting to hurt. Okay, body, let's get it. Bedtime. Oh, yeah. Starting with a little piano loop, then we build around it. Dropping it into the edit with that B-friend clip, lining it up with the beat. Exporting's done. Let's watch it once before crashing. Looks good. Nice.
This video was put together with AI, but the clips you're watching are real life. Projects I'm in the middle of right now. Buildings going up, metal getting welded, training to stay strong, running the farm.
Everybody saying they won't use AI? You already do. All your social media feeds are run by AI algorithms deciding what you see. So yeah, welcome to the club. Cost me $250 a month just for eBay packing supplies. Tape, bubble mailers, boxes, it adds up fast when you're shipping orders every day. Check this out. Here's last month's invoice. $249.84, all shipping materials. But it's the best problem.
You made it! Yeah, wild place, man. You ready to find this thing?
Got the map right here.
Let's chase it.
The path should cut near those palms, then curve past the cliffs.
See that carving? That's our marker.
Something solid here. Help me dig.
I got you. Let's move it. Keep going.
Man, I'm so busy I literally ran out of memory on my phone trying to film. Look at this. Completely full. 0 gigs left. And then the computer. My 1 terabyte drive. Same story. Maxed. It won't even let me render. 2 treasure chest mystery boxes from V-Friends. Let's see what we get. First one cracked. Here we go. Oh my, look at that. Super rare sketch. Adventurous alpaca numbered 1 of 75. Box 2. Can we go back to back? No way. Patient. Time to film some product reviews. We're kicking it off with this little guy. It's called the Rover Mini. Waterproof, 10 hours of battery, and way more volume than you'd think. And yes, completely waterproof. Still playing, still glowing. Perfect for showers, camps. Time to get these cards listed on eBay. I'll start with this one right here. Flame Lizard V. A clean white background makes the photo pop, title filled in, and we'll go $74.99 on price. Listed, 1 down. Now to work through the rest of the binder, but that's how quick it is. Man, I'm feeling lazy today. I should probably move a bit. Trampoline time. Let's go. Already feel better. Ready for a walk with the little guy?
Absolutely.
Come on, buddy. Good way to finish a lazy day.
Not so lazy anymore.
All right, time to pack 37 eBay orders, about $700 worth, getting them ready to ship out tomorrow. Print the labels, stick them on, seal up the boxes. That's a good chunk of them right there. Still more to go. All 37 packed, labeled, and ready for the carry.